You get your camera or use your camera and something doesn't work right. Press the button over here, remove off the unit, place onto a solid flat table that is 90 degrees, turn on the camera, hold and swipe down to the cog gear and scroll down until you find gimbal calibration and press. Follow the information provided. Place the camera vertically on a flat surface. Start calibration. 5-second countdown. Do not bounce the table. The calibration does not take long. It takes a few seconds. The gimbal head does not move. It is processing and completed. You're now able to use your camera, close down the application, and the next time you start up, your camera will work as expected. When all done, simply grab the camera, place back onto its mounting system, lock it into place, and off you go.